Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continues, and it's really just a matter of perspective in terms of how you view this chart. Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there, and in either of those situations you were looking to buy and sell within 10 minutes. Well, then yeah, from that angle, from that perspective, things aren't looking so good as the price continues to pull back. But from the overall standpoint of things, everything is still perfectly fine. Although there is a pattern here that I want to get updated here and pointed out to just keep a very close eye on, because it's something that a lot of traders are going to be watching, and rightfully so. But it's a very important area here, right here around 47.50. In fact, let me actually get this changed to green to represent the support area. And then on the other part of this pattern, you have this resistance trend line in the downwards direction. And it's just a situation where is a bigger pullback going to need to be, put into place there. And there's going to be a lot of people, long, shorts, and everybody in between watching 47.50 and wondering the same thing on whether or not that area can hold. And I emphasize a lot of people because when there are lots of people watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have going on here with 47.50. So again, nothing is guaranteed. My core point here is this, that if the price comes down here and then breaks down below that area, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed, but that is certainly a more than plausible situation to have. Now, on the flip side, the other area that a lot of people are going to be watching, because again, the overall trend, it's still hanging in there. It's still putting in higher lows, which is what you want to see. But if the price can all of a sudden turn itself around, get up here, and then break up through that level, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure, just because you're going to have lots of breakout players watching that area. So all in all, keep your eye on these levels going forward. But yeah, that 47.50 mark, definitely very important to watch moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.